Hi, my name is John. I'm here today to demonstrate to you how to assemble the air filter cleaning toolkit. Here we have is the lid clip which goes on top, which holds your tubes, the main shaft, your ball valve and your rotating nozzle, and of course the assembly manual which tells you how to put it all together. Step 1. Attach the shaft to the ball valve like so. Step 2, grab the reducer, put it into the end of the ball valve. Step 3, take the shaft and put it into the lid like so. And make sure that the top of the lid is facing towards the ball valve. Step 5, take the rotating nozzle and attach it to the bottom of the shaft without crossing the thread. There we go. And don't over tighten it. Now we've got 3 tubes with 3 different colours. Each tube is for a different size diameter filter. So now we have a filter which we want to clean. So we measure the inside diameter, which is 170 millimeters. Half of 170 is 85. Then we need 35 mil clearance, so that brings it down to 50 millimeters is the length of the 3 tubes. Now that we know that our length of our tube, let's take the length of the tube, measure 50 mil and cut 3 pieces. Now that we have our 50 millimeter tubes, now we install them into the rotating head. Now that we've got our assembly ready to go, we just need to make sure we've got dust mask and safety glasses, because the air pushing out the dust out is not good for your health. Now we're going to demonstrate the air filter cleaning kit in action. See, just up and down. Yep. Ready?